키덥수 티우스샤께 녹슬라 호데 캬수시죠. 아쿠 디아둥도 이목보 NDPP, BJP 디쇼 NBF 룽 Independent 호데 나글렌칭 opposition malaki sarkar chungkyak tumu ajibdoki malade United Democratic Alliance de mungzobe lemki mulaludo. Minister of State Rajiv Chandra Shekhar hode Mongin April disho Garment Production disho Training Unit Dimapur Shuakyado. Disho Nagaland Board of School Education hode Class Tija disho Class 2 Final Examination yukbu chungkyak amutriki guidelines bo ayukshido. Tiu sushakbo akina shuside kelanga soshijo. Legislators disho NDPP, BJP disho NBF lung, Party Limberbo lung, Independent MLS hode unyi, Kohima ching kedang bindo, House hode tumu ajibdoki malade, Nagaland ching opposition malaki sarkar sungyak, Mungju, United Democratic Alliance de azobe, lemki mula ludo. House hode nishe mujikino, Chuyak lang disho chuyak masam, Kam chigi ma yak mujak kelang, ching, masam bardis tigyak suru bale resolution kelang sign sikichu ayan be mikyak lushido. Asuruki gedang pindung lim tiusyak lurubo kilim Minister for Parliamentary Affairs Niba Grununa adaki Sarkar hode United Democratic Alliance sakamki tenkyak arbe nimung manye chingjo NLA Speaker kilim trityungbu tsilade tado. Abinadaki Nagaland United Government de chide alaki mungju kuru members bono dukde malaki nangde alaki takiching mutriba United Democratic Alliance de azobu sakamdo. Abinadaki party alala ne aryo lemki boju gedang dikyak mikyashikya. Political lemki tenkya krunu ne adaki core committee hode kide mulung sansan chijo dudishe. Alala ne mukuk dusho GOI yo tsungsuru interlocutor yungsho parties boju mushurkukde tado. Hadin yak minister na adaki Assam mitan gilungtsubu Himanda Biswa Sarma shebuju Northeast Democratic Alliance yo convener she shimude lana mufikino mukyak lang imung Dimapur ruakede arbe zla disho abilung arbo hode mungzu asugachi de alaki parties bo shorubu zla. Central Sarkar na mulungki china Sarma ju arbu tsla disho aso interlocutor ege Mishra muyuk kiching isana alu tinginde albu adungdo kalanga de krunu na tado. Union Minister of State for Skill Development disho Entrepreneurship Electronics disho Information Technology Rajiv Chandra Shekhar hode Dimapur ching Mongin April disho Garment Production disho Training Unit Kibuju Sankal Ministry of Skill Development disho Entrepreneurship Bukup Atungdo Project Kalangana Jutangbung Shwakyado. Officials bolong aki kena azangachiki dikyak Union Minister na ataki shotsumulo azu labu tsungkyakna traditional karshimobo kyak lakki ching skill disho technology aurbu atungdo laki mikyashido. Hadin kyak limro alala ching abina agukteran arung chibade tado. Additional Director Duda Anungla Pom Hode Kenangde Mungin Branju Department of Underdeveloped Areas Bona Nagaland Local Designers Artisans Disho Craftsmen Bo Tsungkyak Miki Imra Limro Shugi Jibu Tsungkyak Sakamji Kana Aki Kana Mikyashido. Nagaland Board of School Education NBSE Hode Class Tija Disho Class 2 Final Examination Kam Chigi Ma Yamukyak Lang Yukpu Tsungkyak Amutriki guidelines po chido. Guidelines ayan na subject aban external examination sungkyak total marks yo tingim shicham hanba manye first ching examination ju alubu sila. Question papers jua board yo question paper yo design ayan na alaba. Examination ju minute guru laba. Syllabus alala ju manye tside chamnak chila kubuju board yo portal www.nbsenl.edu.in china download sa alukopa. Examination yo face apan chungkyak question papers yo board yo portal china alukopa. Disho ashulim blueprints jushe ajibu tsala. Face kalang disho face manye yo marks ju luba. Akirbo yo final results ju asakam jibu tsala. Schools bo hode subject alala ching internal assessment ju alubu zala disho final result ching ajak chi bu chungkyak marks bo ju record sigi laba face galang examination ju kibung kino ashilim yukbu zala disho face manye examination ju mulyu kino ching lubu akula routine dingkyak adanga kiki disho results chi bu chungkyak kimju ashilim chi bu zala port na daki kim kyabale examination yukbu ju schools bokilim mikya shibu tsula de tado sorkar ode pen le athar link sishibu chungkyak deadline ju arbe kam kyungde kinu turuk shugi loji do amang kim jua ha kinu sarmer kyungde alakya income tax department na adaki halumki sagam ki jua covid-19 mitrum duksu laki hode apu stakeholders bona kimlak shorde alaki lumki ching sendol sorkar na kyaji klanga IT ek buku penalty rimo zokyamba alaki jushe haikino samrachina aribekam kishankino kyungde shugi lojido Directorate of School Education Kohima ching unyi Government Middle School Jakama yo National Teacher Award kamchi mayak mukhya kalang Head Teacher Sodi Suno Zau Gilim akinji de asiki munchiju lojido Sodi Suno Gilim Abi Rimoching Agumuki Tengyak Asikitu Mikashide Advisor KT Sugalo na Araki Abi Tsungyak Department na Adanado Chiba Naglenyo District Allah Ching Hanza Ushibu Sala Disho Akirbo Disho Tsangayurbo Lung Asuga Chikiju Alaba Juhode Bubu Tsangayurbo Neshe Aru Rimoching Ala Mulung Jikiju Alaba de Tado Tsangayurbo yo Enrollment Hide Alaki Disho Akirbo yo Enrollment Nukde la de ataki ching abina beruburu disho akirbo gilim mulung lamji de ataki jwa sorkar schools bo ju buburbo schools dunglim mala jumono mulung mingi shibo mikashido sude suno zau hode department disho abio staff bona abigilim arungji de shimode ariki dengyak makshe jido disho arbe imungbo chingshe abina ala mulung pungkite disho Alu suzakugide shimobu alokide tado amnga sode suno zau gilim advisor hode National Teacher Award kamchi ma yakmukya klangju jido COVID-19 mon chungyak District Task Force DDF hode Civil Societies mon disho State Level Monitoring Team china sungchurbo Commissioner disho Secretary Higher and Technical Education W Honje Kongyak disho Deputy Director N6 Dr. Nungshi Sangla Chamir Disho Bububo de Arbo Hode Surubale Friday Nimong Gedang Bindo Honje Konyakna Adagi State Level Team Yo Atungdo Mukyaki Jwa DDF Disho Health Workers Bo Kilim Limro Hubu Tsungyaka Disho Workers Bo Kyak Kupuk Kimlak Shorde Alaki Limkiboju Azangachi Bo Tsungyak Gedangju Bindo Abina Adagi Team Hode Dobu Disho Aboy Shuakyado Disho Stakeholders Bo Alla Lung Gedang Bindo Team Hodinishe Unyi Nagini Mora Disho Dizit Shuakyado Monitoring Team Hode Dukzu Kyaki Shimobo Disho Vaccine Lukibo Dengyak Azuna Pua Kyado COVID-19 Tsungkyak Nuklak District Task Force Hode Deputy Commissioner Nuklak Yo Pingyubeki Bukupna Unyi Gedang Kalangju Bindo Deputy Commissioner Nuklak Haizu Miro Hode Vaccination Lubu Atungdo Laki Dengkyak Tado Demusiki Disho COVID-19 Pandemic Kyak Yochi Bujwa Vaccine Luki Hodenalang Agopade Tado Abinadaki District Ching Medical Facilities Boju Dukde Mulalalashe Mitzerbo Alalana Vaccine Lubu Murangbiade Tado Gedang Dikya COVID-19 Care Center COVID-19 Jacket Dexi Service COVID-19 Moliam Disho School Kimshu Lobu Tsungkyak Sorkar na Guidelines Triki Ju Mikyashiro Naglen Ching Unyi COVID-19 Tukzu Shaki Aso Rukro Tolodo Samrukyak Tinge Tukzu Boju Tsungodo Disho Kalang Shido Tukzu Aso Tolokichwa Dunsang China Mukya Kalang Tolodo Dimabor China Mugu Kohima China Trukyak Manye Pek China Hunga Mokokjong Disho Berin China Kalang Kalang De Tolodo